A binary number is a number that is expressed in a binary system or base 2 numeral system. It describes numeric values by two separate symbols, 1 and 0. The base 2 system is the positional notation with 2 as a radix. Denary is a base 10 number system, also known as decimal. It is the number system most commonly used by people. Each number position contains one of the 10 unique digits of 0 to 9. 12. Okay. So now to turn this into binary, we have to make a table like this. We write 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. We're gonna make this into sections. Here we go. And now we're gonna look at 12. Okay, so is 12 bigger than 128? No, it is not, so we're gonna put a 0. So if it's bigger than 128 or 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, whatever your number is, your denary number, if it's not bigger than that, we're gonna put a 0. But if it is, we're gonna put a 1. So is 12 bigger than 64? No, it is not, so we're gonna put a 0. Bigger than 32? No, 0. Bigger than 16? Nope, 0. Bigger than 8? Yes, we're gonna put a 1. So now let's do 12 minus 8. Then because it's bigger than 8, so 12 minus 8, we're gonna do 4. So now let's move on. Is 4 bigger than 4? Well, it is 4, so we're still gonna put a 1 there. Yes. So now I'm gonna do 4 minus 4, which is 0. So is 0? No, it is not. 0. So 0 bigger than 1? No. So 0. So guys, you read all this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. This right here is the binary form of 12. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Alright guys. So now we're gonna do the binary to denary. So how this works is that, like I just showed you in the previous section, that we turn 12 a denary number to binary form, which is this 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Now here's the thing. There are some numbers below them are zeros and there are some with ones. So what I want to do is cut out the ones with the zeros, like 128, 64, 32, 16, and 2, and 1. What are you left with? 8, which has a 1, and 4, which has a 1. So we're gonna go down here. We're gonna do 8 plus 4, which equals to 12. We got our denary number back, guys. So this is how it works. You want to turn from binary to denary? All you have to do is just see in the table the numbers which have ones underneath them. And if they do, plus them, and you'll get your denary number back. Okay guys?